all of them are all in.
21, have all units responding to Bagman, helmet up. Get the shield out, fuck it.
Second floor.
Here, I'll hold the shotgun.
Units responding. Suspect in the mail to the back call of Batman. Suspect in the mail in Hispanic, 5'11", 40 years, Mohawk with a beard.
We got fucking as many lethals as we had. We got shield.
Correction, he was on the second floor of the building.
You want to stop traffic?
Yeah. Hey. Unit 21, have units also the next unit responding block north southbound traffic on Bagman for Magnolia.
Units responding block
Guys,
north
come over here.
southbound
Come on.
traffic from Bagman from Magnolia.
Come here.
30 Washington, going down southbound at Magnolia. And then northbound traffic from Austin, exactly.
Guys, come over here. Everybody, get over here. We're safe.
15 shots responding for.
Did you guys hear gunshots?
15 5.
Did you guys hear gunshots? How many?
Oh yes, 15X5 is responding code 3 from North Hollywood Station to
What apartment is this guy in?
Batman Avenue.
Hold on, I hear something. Miss your hands, man! Miss your hands! Miss your hands! He came out with a crossbow.
Stand by, we got contact. Stand by, stand by. Stand by, we got contact.
He had a crossbow?
It looked like a crossbow, pointed up.
Yeah, we just had contact in the hall. Suspect stepped out with a crossbow.
Possible. Looked like a crossbow.
All right, Dan, what do you think? You want to get these girls out of here?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, ladies. Come to me, please.
Tony, he went back in,
I know.
locked the door.
Okay.
Spooked him pretty good.
As soon as you step out, we need to be down to the stairs on this end of the building down there. Okay? Yes. We'll go down the back staircase, but then I want you to go downstairs and out the front. Step back. Hold it. Eddie, step in for the door. Take the door out.
Miss your hands, man! Miss your hands!
Who the fuck's stopping you? Who the fuck's stopping you right now? Who are you? And then that's the police.
Drop it! Drop it! Ah! Yeah, I got it.
Hey, just shut the door.
Hey, stand by. The shots were not fired by the suspect. That was us. The suspect fired a crossbow at us, and we got an officer hit. Dan, are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Stay out.
Another launch of all. Another one in?
Roger that.
Going in. This is right off of the,
No, we got another one?
no, the little
Here, I
road.
got one. Here. Zero position. You just identified one window to the left of green pipe. Is that the window? One left of green pipe. Roger, we're going to deploy way, a third round of gas to the left of the third drain pipe.
I got him. He's in 202. He's in 202.
Okay, our suspect is here. Next door.
Ready to follow up?
Yeah, let me.
Hey, get another launch.
Let me get mine in case I gotta shoot. I just want to shoot one there.
There you go.
The one east, just east. So wait, you're looking at it to the right.
No, shoot. The moment clear. Oh, you evacuate.
Yeah, hold off on that for a second. We got eyes on it.
Hey, Joe,
Is that him? Is he laying down?
Morales, no one's been hurt, man. Show us your hands, man, or it's gonna get much more uncomfortable for you. You got your hands, keep your hands where we can see them, buddy. Come on, crawl down this way. Crawl down, no one's gonna hurt you. You haven't hurt anybody. Come on over here, buddy. Thanks for your service in the military, man. Semper Fi, buddy. Come on. Come on down, buddy. Keep coming, man. You're doing good, buddy. You're doing good. Keep coming.
I got handcuffs.
Here you go, buddy. Keep coming.
Hey, hands up!
Semper Fi, buddy. Semper Fi. Come on. We got your hands.
Keep coming down!
Come on, man. Come on.
Keep coming down!
No one's gonna hurt you, man. Come on.
I'm walking with my hands up.
Okay,
Listen here. Come on. No, come on, man. No, we're not gonna kill you, man. All right, man. Good job. So far, no one's been hurt, man. No, come on, man. Morales, come on, man. You got a bunch of Marines down here, man. Come on. You're one of the brothers, man. Come on. No, come on. Come on, man.
I got you.
Come on, man. Come on, man. No.
We're not.
Come on, buddy. There you go. Come on out. Yeah, come on.
Cross over.
Keep coming. Come on.
There you go, buddy.
Got him? Wait, get him out. Let's search him right here. Go. Go. We got a car. Four to get him in. Black, white.
That was the second time he did me talk. Like the fire team.
You have any
Time
other
for Morales? I hope not. I wouldn't mind a cigarette if that's possible. I'm alive, I guess. That's too bad.